Hello, this is Tosh Tires. I've got a Hyundai i10 here on a 2009 plate. We're just replacing the number plate light bulb. As you can see right there, this one here is working and on this side it isn't. I'll just show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure. As you can see, these little lugs right here on either side. All you do is push it in and then lift the whole thing out, and that should do the job for you. I'll just show you how it's done. All I'm using is a butter knife, as you can see right there. I push it in and then I gently pull the whole thing out right there. I'm just going to remove the bracket and then replace the bulb. It's a 501 bulb here, right there, capless bulb. That's what you need to do. I'm just going to go and switch the light off. Now that I've turned the lights off, all I do is twist that to my left, and then that's the bulb right here we need to replace. Put the new one in, get the lug back in, twist that to my right, and push it back in. That's it, that's all done. I'm just going to switch the lights off. Okay, now you can see they're both working. That's all you got to do on your car. If you've got a Hyundai i10, this is what you need to do. And if there's anything more you need to know, let us know. We'll try helping you out. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.